Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a beautiful YouTube thumbnail with Filmora9. As you know, thumbnail image is one of three most important parts of a highly engaging YouTube video. It helps you grab your viewer attention, attract more clicks on your videos. Many people spend the whole day editing their YouTube thumbnail to make it more interesting. I personally don't spend that much time making YouTube thumbnail as I want to spend more time on my editing work instead of making thumbnail. Let's getting started. A YouTube thumbnail often contains two important parts, which are image and text. With Filmora9, you can drop an image on the timeline, add a text title on top of that image, finally take a snapshot using Filmora9 to create a YouTube thumbnail image. Alternatively, you can preview the video, and stop at the position you think it's good to use the image for the thumbnail, then overlay text title at that position. Finally, you will also need to take snapshot of the screen. I would prefer the second way. For this example, I will stop the player head at this position to use it for my YouTube thumbnail image. Normally, you can just add a text title here and take a snapshot and you're done with your thumbnail. Let's me show you what I normally do. On my YouTube thumbnail, I want to have my picture appears on top left corner of the image. So I will find my image on my computer, drag it to the media library in Filmora9. Then I can put my image at the top track on the timeline so that I can appear on my thumbnail. Now my image is covering the whole screen, I can resize it with Filmora9 crop tool. Before doing that, I often lock all other track on the timeline to avoid unexpected movement of other elements. Adding a shape mask to the image is also a handy way when you want to have different shapes and border around your little image. To do that, go to the Effect tab, look for the utility and drag the image shape directly on the image. Click on the image at the preview window, resize and move it around by holding your left mouse click at the edge of the image. If you don't like the circle border, you can easily change it to any other types when looking at the video effect. Click this drop-down arrow and select a shape, increase the edge feather of the shape right in this area. There are many built-in shapes you can select in Filmora9 for your thumbnail. For example, I will use this shape. Click OK to go back to the main workspace. Alright, now we need to add some text to finish the design of the thumbnail. Let's grab a simple text title and customize it so that we can use it. Firstly, I will remove the animation of the title preset by click on the Animation tab, and select No Animation. Now change the text to whatever you want to say. Select a font and increase the size of the text. There are many options you can try with Filmora9 title editor, such as change the text color, text border, text shadow, etc. I will not go into detail with the customization of the text in this tutorial. But if you want to use some of my thumbnail text presets I created, check out the description to download my Filmora9 example project. There are some beautiful texts there for you. Click OK to save what you've done. Now all you need is taking a snapshot with Filmora9 built-in tool. Your snapshots will be displayed in the media library. Right-click on it and select Reveal in Explorer to find and use it. Here is the thumbnail image we've just created. That's how I normally create my YouTube thumbnail image using Filmora9. I hope you've learned a new tip today. If you have any question about the tutorial, leave your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on video editing and screencasting. Thanks very much for watching my video, bye for now.